guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a curved pathway in Heartopia. So you have to have like either one of these items, like the quartered balcony, just like the quartered items. Hopefully you have that. But I only have this one from the like frost season pass, and we're going to place one here, and then we're going to place another one here, and then we're going to rotate that twice, and we're going to place that here, and then this one here, and we're going to rotate that again, and then we're going to place one here and one here. Next we're going to add a low wall, which let me get that first here. And I'm just going to place it here. It doesn't really matter, where you place it. Then we're just going to add some floors to it, to the like low wall we've added. If I can just put it on top, that would be nice. I don't know why it won't go on here. Oh my gosh, this is like, you know what? I'm just gonna put one down first. I don't know why it's not working. Go up. There we go. And I'm just going to cover the path like all the way here until here. You can do more if you'd like to, but this is just an example, so I'm just going to do it like this, I guess. Hold on, let me make that smaller. There we go. I'm just going to make it like this, and then I'm going to color this pathway with the like green color. You can also use the wildflower bush if you have that. Let's do this one, and then I'm just going to color just like the outside part. And don't worry about this, we're going to fix that later. So I'm just going to do this first. There we go. And then for the flooring on the inside, I'm just going to use maybe this, or you can add like the other rock path maybe. It's up to you like which one you use. I think I want to add this one. Let me see if it looks better. Okay, I'm just going to add this one. And it's okay if the corners kind of go out because we're going to place some bushes there to make it like rounded. But make sure you cover like everything. Then we're going to go to the building material and we're going to add some bushes to cover that spot. You can also use the wildflower bushes, but I'm just going to use the ones I have here to just like cover this up and make sure it covers like everything. So you're going to want to put a lot of these so it covers like that rocky part. It's okay if like a little bit like goes out of the like side like that. And I'm just going to be back when I finish everything. And this is what it looks like. Obviously you can add more stuff to it, but I'm happy with this look for just the tutorial. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!